Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a very different video today. I've been wanting to do this, basically take the subject on some viral products that are absolutely worth your money. There are too many products right now. Every time you open your Instagram or your YouTube video, you're going to be seeing launch after launch after launch. It's very difficult to suss out which one is actually worth the money, worth your time, worth your investment. Most of the products are going viral because that's what social media does to you. Everything looks good, but does it really perform well? That's what this video is all about. Today, I'm going to be giving you 5 unbelievable products. In fact, I have 15 of them, you guys, and I had to section this into 3 parts, and today is first part. And let me just tell you, the 5 products, in fact, all 15 are completely worth the money. Bang for your buck. You know what to do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are not getting notified, with all my YouTube videos that are going up, and if you're not getting notified, then I would say resubscribe. And at the same time, you can follow me at shwetavijay, which is my Instagram page, because a lot more reviews happen there. All right, let's go. First product that went completely viral, and that is from Plum Body Lovin. Now, this portion of the video is in collaboration with Plum, but you have heard me talk about this vanilla caramello body lotion. Come on, you don't need to be triggered, because the only thing that will trigger you is like, okay, bas ho gaya Shweta, we know that you love the brand, because I've been talking about this whole of last year. It continues till now. Plum Body Lovin', you guys. Now, everything when it comes to body care from this brand, they are killing it. Now, there is a reason why this went completely viral, you guys. Now, you know, Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream is so famous. It's like a cult. It's got a cult following. And it's beautiful. I love that cream. In fact, I love the cream much more than the perfume, okay? The body mist, I'm not a fan of. But the cream definitely has got a fan base. I'm one of them. But ever since I discovered this, you guys, I haven't even touched that. And that's only because you're getting this. Look at this. Okay, let me show you how many bottles of it I've gone through. I've got so many bottles of it. That's how much I love it. And this bottle, I've got 2 more somewhere lying around. And this I went and picked up at nykaa sale, because I was like, I need a backup. And there's a reason why this went completely viral on social media. Now, everybody loves this body cream. First of all, the size of it, you're getting 400 ml for 475 rupees. What a bargain. And if you use your favorite content creators discount code, you'll get an additional discount at Plum Goodness website. So it gives you this intense instant hydration to the body. But yeah, let me show you how it is. It just lingers on. It's got that caramel fragrance. It's got that vanilla fragrance. It's got that beautiful cocoa butter coming through, and it is much better than Sol de Janeiro. Get out of the shower, apply this generously all over the body, and then when you apply a perfume on top, baby, that's like a golden ticket. It just makes you smell so nice, and it's a head turner. While you're at it, if you want to stick with a perfume of the same brand, you guys, yes, there is a vanilla caramello perfume as well. Guys, let me tell you, this is a fantastic perfume. Oh my god, they've done a fabulous job. If you love the fragrance of this body lotion, imagine a perfume of the same. And Sol de Janeiro perfume, I am not a fan of it at all. My worst purchase kind of a video, I've already done that. I should link it. It in fact just triggers my migraine. But this one, ooh, this is such a beautiful perfume. I've given one to mom. This is my new bottle. It's such a warm caramel vanilla fragrance to it. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so daytime. You can even take this to nighttime. You can layer this. When you layer this with La Vie Belle from Lancome, or when you layer this with, there's so many perfumes you can layer this with, something that is warm and toasty. Even Jimmy Choo's perfume, when you layer with it, because it's got that, very subtle fruity fragrance to it. You just smell so freaking fantastic. The compliments, it's a head turner sort of a fragrance, you guys. It's very subtle, it doesn't trigger my migraine, and that is very, very important for me when I choose a perfume. Look at that packaging, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Plum body lovin is really killing it with their body range. That amber color, you know, it looks like a sunset out here. It's fantastic. So if you're looking out for an affordable perfume to gift, because this is for 899 rupees, again, use a code. You can use my code. You can get additional discount. And I think this is a great gift for your daughter, you know, for a friend, for yourself, you know, just beautiful, beautiful one that is even better than the mist, in my opinion. Very, very subjective. Perfumes are subjective as well. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Please pair these two. You're not going to regret it. You're going to smell like $1,000,000. The next product is from a brand that I speak about a lot, to a point that it can get a little annoying, but what to do? Because they are giving you bangers one after the other, hits one after the other. I'm talking about WishCare. WishCare Hair Growth Serum. And anytime you opened any of your social media platform, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, you would see this WishCare's Hair Growth Serum all over the space. Every content creator, every dermatologist, they would talk about it. And I discovered this hair growth serum last year, you guys, and my video went viral. And that's because I saw this and I just wanted to see what the hype is all about. And I applied it and it was fantastic. Now this, I've gone through bottles of this. Can you see that? How many bottles? In fact, during the nykaa sale, I went and picked up a new one. I love this hair growth serum because there are many new ones, and I will do a separate video on some of the best in India at the moment, in my opinion. Now, it's very subjective, hair care and skincare, keep that in mind. What I love about this is that it's extremely gentle on the scalp and it's not at all oily. So that is why you can really enjoy the whole process of wearing a hair growth serum. You know, even I have applied this on my eyebrows. It's made a huge significant difference. My eyebrows are so scanty, you guys, but I can definitely see a small difference in my eyebrows. Many of you all have noticed. But on my scalp, you can see baby hair. You have to be consistent with it. You just cannot apply it for 1 or 2 months. That's not how hair growth serum works. You have to be consistent. You have to give yourself 6 months with a particular product and stick with it. If you followed me from the UK, you can see a significant difference from what my hair was in the UK and what my hair is right now. It's soft, it's lush, it's you know, it's really strong. I've got hair fall, but it's not as drastic, and that's only because this is very much part of my routine. This is a powerful concentrated serum, you guys, extremely lightweight, and you can use this every day. The base of this is rice water, and it's got 6 powerful ingredients, that is Rendasil and again bicapel. It's got caffeine, biotin and keratin. So you're just going to take this and just spritz that, and it's like water. So you can apply this at night, nicely massage your scalp with it and go to bed. Next day, you don't have to wash it off. It's got no fragrance. There's no oily residue, so it's not going to weigh your hair down. You know, it's not going to make your hair look flat. And you can just, you know, apply a dry shampoo if you want. It's come in my monthly favorite. It's come in my best of hair care video. What's not to love about this WishCare Hair Growth Serum? It's beautiful. I cannot recommend this enough, you guys. You can definitely use my code if you want your additional discount. Just give it about 6 months, be consistent with it. I promise you, you're going to see a difference. In fact, after around 2 months of consistent use, you are going to see that baby hair grow. I would say just use this maybe 3-4 times a week. It's more than enough, you guys. The more you use it, the better it is. But if you can use it 3-4 times, nothing like it. And there is a reason why everybody is talking about it. If you've got teenagers, they can use it as well. Even if you've got, I mean, this is like age no bar. I would say that if you've got children above the age of 12, they can use this. This is completely safe to use. It's got no minoxidil. Your hair fall doesn't start the moment you stop, I promise you. Product number 3, and you know what is going viral and what everybody is loving? Everywhere around the world excepting for India, and a little birdie told me this is going to be launched very soon at nykaa, in a month or two. So stay tuned for that. I'm talking about the NYX Pro Fix Stick. And my gosh, I've already spoken about this in my monthly favorite. This is such a beautiful concealer. Now these concealer sticks, basically it's also got a color correcting theme. So not only does it conceal, it also color corrects. And it's a beautiful, beautiful concealer. This is excellent for people who've got combination, normal, especially oily skin. If you've got extremely dry skin, this is not the one for you, you guys. Only because when it comes to concealer sticks, it can be a little too drying, especially in the under eye area. But you can prep and prime. You can really, prep your under eye area with something very moisturizing. And then you can apply this. I think it will sit better. And the money, I mean, it is affordable. I hope they have the same price factor. I must have paid around £10. So I hope they have the same price factor when it reaches here. In fact, they will, I have a feeling. And I also know for a fact that the moment this launches, it's going to sell out. It is such a fantastic concealer that everybody is talking about it. Every makeup artist, you open Instagram, makeup artists are talking about it. From India, they have gotten it somehow. They're talking about it. Content creators are talking about it. Videos are going viral. Views are going higher and higher. Totally worth it, you guys. Anyway, another thing I wanted to add is that I wish that NYX Cosmetics or nykaa, whoever's bringing it out here, nykaa is basically, they bring the entire shade range, because this has got various undertones: peach, salmon, red, yellow, and various skin tones can enjoy this concealer. And many Indian websites and international brands are notorious for not bringing the entire range here to India, and that is unfair on us. And there are days when I just apply this on my skin. I just dab it a little bit so it'll conceal, and then I will just apply maybe a baked powder that has got a little coverage. I don't need even a foundation out here, and this is coming from somebody who's got texture. They have nailed it with this launch. This has to be the most exciting launch from NYX in the year 2024, because they've launched many products, but of all, this really stood out for me. Let's move on, my darlings, to another product that went completely viral, and I think I have spoken about this even in my monthly favorites. I need to talk a lot more about this. Now, Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood, the flawless, Hollywood filter. It's a cult favorite. I love it. No doubt it's a beautiful, beautiful product. But it's expensive. Charlotte Tilbury is expensive. I love it, you guys. I think it just gives you a very subtle glow. It's got a cult following. But you know who told Charlotte Tilbury to sit in the corner and hold its highlighter? E.l.f. Now, this is another brand like NYX Cosmetics that is killing it. They have got so many fantastic products. I just wish that nykaa launches it very, very soon. They've got the, that same, that glossy pen, the balm. They have such a beautiful color variety. They've got so many wonderful products out there, you guys. But I know that this was launched in India. This went completely viral. This is still going viral because if you talk about, when you see reels and you see shorts on top 5 makeup must-haves, top 5 affordable makeup, anything that is going viral right now, this particular baby, Halo Glow Liquid Filter from E.l.f. This is the shade bronze, and it is somehow working for me, though I can go for something even lighter than this because I am NC 40. Anyway, again, cruelty-free product. It's got that same packaging, that same bottle like Charlotte Tilbury. It just gives you such a beautiful glow. You can apply this over makeup like a highlighter. You can just apply this by itself. If you've got flawless complexion, just apply this, dab it on top of your sunscreen, you guys, and you can just step out with a little bit of that lip balm, mascara. You've got that beach look ready. I would tell you to pick this one up, especially when you're going on a holiday. This is something that you need to give you need to give this one a shot, because this is so underrated, super affordable for a fraction of the price of Charlotte Tilbury, and it gives you that same effect. I can vouch for the fact that this doesn't emphasize any pores, you guys. Beautifully done, just like the Charlotte Tilbury one. And it just, this is a little too dark on my on my palm, but on my face skin it really works well, and that glow is so subtle and super beautiful. Let's move on to the last product, and it's a skincare product, you guys, making it a round of my best top 5 viral products that are worth the money. Oh, this took me by surprise, okay? Now, I don't know how sunscreen sprays work, especially something that's got that fine mist that doesn't leave a oily residue, that cakey feeling when you reapply your sunscreen. This is from Happier Sundays. It's going viral right now, you guys. It's sold out apparently. They also reformulated to make it a lot more thinner. Everybody is talking about it on social media. It's a beautiful sunscreen. It's got SPF 50, PA+++. I have used a UV cam. Let me tell you about these fine mist that has got sunscreen in it, sun protection factor in it. It did not go all black on my UV camera, but when I applied it a little more, you can see the skin going a little darker. So that's the thing about reapplication, unless it's a sunscreen stick or like a fluid sunscreen like the WishCare one. But saying that, I have thoroughly enjoyed using this. It just gives this most refreshing sort of a feel to the skin. It's very lightweight. It's like a mist, you guys, and it's got sun protection factor. I cannot believe Indian brands are killing it with their sunscreen launch. This is from an Indian brand, and let me just spray this one for you. I'll just shut up because then only you'll believe me. All right, let me just spray this. It's so beautiful. It's such a fine mist without leaving that oily residue. You can go extra with it, you can go less with it. Guys, look at that. Look at that mist. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, guys. I don't have a discount code. I will speak to the brand if I can get it. But please try this. It's so beautiful for that reapplication. I can see why this has gone viral. I can see why everybody's talking about it, because applying a sunscreen as fine as this, fine as hell, on top of your makeup, what a pleasure it is. It doesn't move the makeup. Look at that. It dried it. It did not make it oily. It's beautiful. So that completes my top 5 viral products. Totally worth it. That gives you a bang for your buck, a total banger. When the year 2024 ends, I'm going to be remixing it, a nice little dance number with all of these products, because it's just a class act. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you'd want me to do part 2, part 3, because like I told you, there were 15 products that went viral that's sitting in front of me right now. I can do that for you. I love you so much. I hope to see you in my next, and I cannot wait to read your feedback in the comment section basically. So until later, bye for now. Love you. Mwah.